nothing to end their destructive behaviors, our lives are surely going to crumble from beneath us, leaving us stranded on this small peninsula we call home. Let's start with the sea lamprey. A sea lamprey is an aquatic parasite that preys mainly on fish. An adult lamprey can consume up to 40 pounds of fish in its lifetime. When they were first introduced in the early 1800s, they nearly decimated the entire fishing industry in Lake Michigan. To control them, the DNR used lampricides, or chemicals that target lampreys in their larval stages. Although this effectively controlled the lamprey, this also affected other wildlife, such as amphibians, which share the same habitats. Today, they use a process called sterilization, where they release many sterile male lamprey into Lake Michigan and effectively trick the lampreys into thinking that they mated and reproduced. My next topic, one which you may already be familiar with, is zebra mussels. They originated from the Russian and Ukrainian area and are a huge threat to our environment. They compete with the native wildlife for food and clog water intake drains. There's no effective treatment for them as of right now, though they do have some predators in Lake Michigan, such as bass and crayfish. The last threat I'm going to be talking about are invasive plants. There are over 50 different species in Door County alone, and each of them brings their own threat with them. Most invasive plants take the space of our native species because of their lack of prey and because they can spread so fast. Other invasive plants can also be toxic to animals, such as hound's tongue, which is poisonous to livestock such as cows and sheep. One method for controlling invasive plants is simply destroying them. Although this sounds simple, it is a tedious task which requires extreme accuracy. If you cut down these plants at the wrong time, you'll just be spreading them even further, putting our environment into an even more risky state. Overall, invasive species are an imminent danger that threaten to destroy our environment. Without our help, our native species will perish, and the beauty of Door County will be blanketed by the influence of invasive species. Thank you.